Howdy y'all, I have to make an amendment to this video.
Empowerment by Gem. I'll try it on for you. A little apology. Oh, so hot. To Gem and to Guylaine, because Gem sent me another piece which I forgot to include in the unboxing. And also Guylaine made me this beautiful piece of jewelry that I'll show you in a moment, and I failed to recognize those two pieces. So anyway, let me show you what it is. Bracelet. This is one that I've had the beads to before, but something happened and it snapped. So special attention to the clasp. Isn't that pretty? And it comes in these pretty little wrappers. I think she's on Etsy, y'all, so go check out Guylaine.
Roadbeads by Guylaine. I'll put a link in the description. She travels all over getting her junior ranger
Here
badges.
that came in the mail in the box. And this one is called, for you fused Hawaii empowered girls, this is called Surprise. And it is a kokonaki top. I think that's how you say it. Let's see how this is gonna look. Oops. This is really cute. I think you know my favorite color in this.
Abracadabra. Get the straps on.
Yeah, this was in the box. I forgot to get it out. So this is going to be another one of those crisscross. Like this.
I might need a little help putting this one on.
And I'll get to show it on at some point soon.
I have to say, you're much more disciplined than me, because I can't seem to get my shit together or wait for payday to get my mail out and whatnot. But Tuesday I get paid, so hopefully I will get that right out to you as soon as I get paid, Jen. There's some cards in here. Oh, a card. Oh, look, it's stickers. And this is... Aw, love letters. Body, I promise to love and cherish you always. I need to do better with loving my body and taking care of it. My feet are moving me towards my goals. Oh my goodness, I need these kind of little boosts in my life to help me keep going. What a sweet thought and sentiment to think of me. And these are cool. Look at this. Love her, but leave her wild. There you go. I love that. Some stickers for my van. I'll show you where I'm going to put them. Stay wild, Moonchild. Aww. So super sweet and thoughtful. Thank you, Gem. It's me another package. She's so awesome. And this is the bottom that's going to go with the rainbow outfit. The rainbow top from the other day. These are beautiful. I love purple. You know how much I love purple. And wow, these are gorgeous. These are the high-rise purple. I'm starting to learn a little bit more about them. And the other print, I'll show you. The one that she got me the first time was vintage Hawaii, but this one is the high-rise purple bottom. So, oh, I see. You can wear them front or back because you get more coverage in the front, and then you get the more cheeky in the back. But, or you can wear, if you don't like to put your butt out, you can put this in the front, and then the back would be this. So I might do that if I am with the grandkids. And if I'm at the hot spring, I might use this as the back. Pretty cool. Thank you so much, Jem. I really appreciate all of your efforts and kindness to bring me these things, and my confidence is boosted, and I am just in love with these bathing suits. So I'm ready for the beach, and I'm ready for the hot springs. I can't wait. And I don't know if you can go in the hot springs, but I would love to take a dip with you. So I will look forward to that, either at the beach or a lake or something, somewhere we can take a dip together. I would love that. So here are the two pieces together, and this is how it looks. I didn't have anybody to take the pictures for me this time, so please excuse my modeling skills. You'll have to tell me your thoughts on this one. I'll show you something. I restrung this from across to this halter style. This halter style. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. Thank you, Guylaine and Jem. And thank you to all of you for liking, commenting, and subbing to my channel to help me reach 1K. God bless.